Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So tell me, how are you all? I hope all of you are in safe condition. Is my voice audible to you all? Then please write down yes in the comment box. So don't waste your time, quickly join in our live class. We are having an amazing session today. Okay. So let's start our class, and before that let me tell you how can you join in live class. It's very easy. You just have to subscribe our YouTube channel Aveti Learning and press the bell icon to get more updates. Okay. So before we start our live class, let me tell you the rules of this live class. You just have to answer the questions which is only asked. Okay. And don't chat with each other. If you start chatting with each other, then you will feel the problem while watching the video. Okay, and this is a permanent video, you can find anytime on YouTube, so don't make any note while watching the video. Okay, so see, this is our free spoken English class and Aveti coding class. Okay, so this is absolutely free for you. Aveti Learning provides you free spoken English class and coding class along with free live classes. Okay, so this is a golden opportunity, so don't lose it. Just you should have to start your registration. Okay, so the registration for the coding class is https://bit.ly/Aveti coding class, and the link for the registration for spoken English class is https://bit.ly/Aveti spoken English. So our registration is already opened, so start your registration. Okay, so here you can see that so many students are there in our Zoom live class, which was on spoken English. So if you want to have your face in the live screen, okay, so what should you do? You just have to attend our live class on spoken English, and first of all you have to register your name. Okay, so already thousands of students have registered, and why you are so late? Don't waste your time, quickly start your registration, and you can have the direct contact with our spoken English madam. Okay, and within a few days you are also capable of speaking fluent English, which is absolutely free, provided by whom? Provided by Aveti Learning. So let's start learning. So here we are having a quiz class on simple sentences. Okay, so some simple sentences are given, and your duty is to mention whether it is a declarative sentence or interrogative sentence or imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence. Okay, so here we go. The first one is given to you. Amrit is a strong boy. Amrit is a strong boy. Which kind of sentence it is? 1. Declarative sentence. 2. Interrogative sentence. 3. Imperative sentence. D. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, so quickly write down the answer in the comment box. As we know that a declarative sentence is a statement where the predicate part is a statement about the subject. Then B is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means it is a question which ends with very good, a question mark. Then imperative sentence, it is an order, an advice, suggestion, command, wish, warn, etc. Then exclamatory sentence is a sentence of strong feeling or surprise which is ends with an exclamation mark. So Amrit is a strong boy. Which kind of sentence it is? Very good. All of you have given the right answer, and the right answer is declarative sentence. Okay. Amrit is a strong boy. That is a declarative sentence because it is a statement. Okay. Then question number 2. Are you coming with me? Which kind of sentence it is? A. Declarative sentence. B. Interrogative sentence. C. Imperative sentence. D. Exclamatory sentence. Very easy. Here it is a question and also a question mark at the end of the sentence. So which kind of sentence it is? Is it a statement or it shows any strong feeling, a surprise, or it is an order or question? As I said, it is a question. So which kind of sentence it is? Yes, all of you have given the right answer so correctly and so quickly. I am so happy. Okay, so the right answer is interrogative sentence. Okay, because it is a question. Now let's move on to question number 3. Respect your elders. Which kind of sentence it is? Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, or exclamatory sentence? Quickly write down the answer. Is it a statement or a question or an order or advice or warning or suggestion or a statement of strong feeling, a sentence of strong feeling or surprise? Respect your elders. ଗୁରୁଜନ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମ୍ମାନ ଦିଅ. So এই ବାକ୍ୟରେ କ'ଣ କରାଯାଇଛି? ଆଦେଶ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ଅନୁରୋଧ କରାଯାଇଛି, ନା ଉପଦେଶ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି, ନା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରାଯାଇଛି, ନା ଏକ ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ, ନା ଏକ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟସୂଚକ ବାକ୍ୟ? Oh my god, all of you have given the correct answer so quickly. Yes, it is an imperative sentence. And right answer is it is an imperative sentence because it is an advice. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 4. What noble thought you have? Which kind of sentence it is? It is a declarative sentence or interrogative sentence or imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence. Which kind of sentence it is? Quickly answer the question. In this sentence is ended with an exclamation mark. So any guesses which kind of sentence it is? Already I have elaborated about the 4 sentences. So now this is your duty to find out which kind of sentence it is. Yes, all of you have given the right answer, and this sentence is an exclamatory sentence. Why? Because exclamation means the sentence is having a strong feeling or surprise that what a noble thought you have. It is an exclamatory sentence. Now let's move on to question number 5. Is this a very good plan? Is this a very good plan? ଏହା ଏକ ଭଲ ଯୋଜନା କି? Which kind of sentence it is? Yes. Already the answer is in this question also. Yes or no? So quickly write down the answer. Whether it is a declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence. Which kind of sentence it is? Quickly write down the answer. Quickly write down the, let me see who are giving the right answer. Oh my god, simultaneously so many students are writing so quickly that it is just unable to find out who gave the right answer so fast. All of you are the winners. Okay, yes, this is a question. So we found question in interrogative sentence. So the answer is interrogative sentence because it is a question which is ended with a question mark. Okay. So now let's see question number 6. She has beautiful eyes. She has beautiful eyes. Which kind of sentence it is? Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Quickly write down which kind of sentence it is. Yes, it's very easy. Who has beautiful eyes? She has beautiful eyes. So genuinely, is it a question? No. Is it an order? No. Is it an advice? No. Do you have any strong feeling in this sentence? No. Then which kind of sentence it is? Yes, declarative sentence because it is a statement. Okay, the predicate part is a statement about the subject. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 7. How carelessly she keeps his things. How carelessly she keeps his things. से तार जिनस गुड़ी को केते अवहेलार सहित रखिछि. So all of you have a thought that how can it is she and his. Okay, that means she keeps his means somebody somebody else's things. Okay, means the girl keeps a boy's things. Okay, so here it is written like this. So how carelessly she keeps his things. So which kind of sentence it is? Is it a declarative sentence or interrogative sentence or imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence? As usual, you know that at the end of this sentence there is an exclamation mark. So genuinely it is an, yes, all of you have written the right answer. It is an exclamatory sentence because there is an exclamation mark. Okay. Now let's move on to question number 8. Stand up. Which kind of sentence it is? Is it a declarative sentence or interrogative sentence or imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence? Let's find out. Do you have any strong feeling in this sentence? No. Is this a question? No. Why? Because there is no question mark. Okay. Is it a statement about something? Do you have any subject in this sentence? If a sentence which is not having the subject, then which kind of sentence it is? Yes, all of you have writing the right answer. The right answer is imperative sentence. Okay, stand up. So it is an imperative sentence which is a command. Okay, and you stand up means you stand up, and you is silent here. Okay, so students, today is this much. The quiz session is over. All of you have participated so well, so correctly, so quickly, so fast that I am very much impressed. Okay, so students, today is this much. I hope all of you got an idea about the types of simple sentences. Okay, so if you still have any doubts and any query, any type of questions in any subject, you can contact us in our WhatsApp of Aveti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. Okay, so as usual, you know that we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium student during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Aveti Learning, along with free what? Spoken English classes and coding classes also. So students, today is this much. We will meet in our next session with a new concept, with some new questions, with some new examples. Till then, don't go anywhere. Okay, and keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Aveti Learning. Thank you.